Hi guys, it's Sesi here. For this video, I will be unboxing Samsung Galaxy Frames X. It's so big, so just keep on watching. This is the package. Let's open it. Oh my god, this is how it looks. It's so big, you can see. Yup, cut again to open it. Yeah, this is the box of Samsung Galaxy Frames X Blackpink. You can see this is beautiful and elegant. In this box there are 3 items. First is Blackpink exclusive photo card. Here says Special Edition, where there are only 25,000 in the world. Yeah, that's a photo card. There are 5. My god, I'm so happy. First, we have group photo with signature. And then Jisoo, Lisa, Jennie, and Rose solo photo. Next is Blackpink Smart Stand User Guide, and then Blackpink Strap Case for my phone Galaxy A50. Also Blackpink Smart Stand. This smart stand is also can use to charge. This is Type-C cable, so it can be used on all Galaxy phones. There are low sign too. Let's trying. Yeah, it's work. This is so elegant and beautiful color. Oh my god, I like it so much. Let's go to last item. Yeah, this is the Blackpink strap case. The materials of case is so good and thick, also strong, so it can be useful for my phone. Here says Blackpink Special Edition Galaxy Frames and Blackpink logo, also head sign. Very strong. This is the pink strap, and in back is so soft. Here it says Special Edition Blackpink, and in up is also Rose signature. Oh my god. Yep, now I will use the Blackpink strap case in my phone. This is how it looks like. Yeah, this is so beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on my next video guys. Bye bye.